Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious or worried about anything, but in everything, every circumstance and situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, continue to make your specific requests known to God, and the peace of God, that peace which reassures the heart, that peace which transcends all understanding, that peace which stands guard over your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus is yours. In Philippians 4:6-7, Apostle Paul gives us a roadmap to peace. Imagine facing life's challenges without anxiety. Instead of worrying, you pray. You bring your concerns to God, giving thanks for His blessings. And in return, you're wrapped in an unexplainable peace. It's like a divine security blanket for your soul. So next time you're stressed, remember Philippians 4:6-7. Pray, be thankful, and let God's peace guard your heart and mind. It will make a difference in your life for the better. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Suwa Trending Topics.